Welcome back again in Indian Future Forum. So today's our topic is Mahindra EarthMaster Backhoe Loader SX Smart 50 specifications. The designers at the Mahindra Wave have the technology to the next level. Looking at the current scenario, they have made a dramatic leap their own backhoe loader, designing the brand new EarthMaster SX Smart 50 with 36.2 kilowatt 50 horsepower naturally aspirated the Mahindra engine, best in class fuel efficiency and optimal backhoe performance. It is specifically engineered keeping in the mind Indian usage pattern, which breaks all the norms in backhoe loader category. So let's talk about its features. Bigger buckets, high productivity with bigger loader 1.1 meter cube and backhoe buckets 0.27 meter cube. Mahindra EarthMaster Backhoe bucket is around 8% bigger than the competition's. Its structure, better depth in 2 mm thick plates than usual for application where the strength is needed, more load bearing capacity to front axle with 63 mm thick beam helps the machine to do heavy work in loader application, ideal for all weather conditions like sub-zero temperature in the Himalayas due to high impact resistance structure grade of steel 350C for all critical components. Let's talk about its hydraulics. Better backhoe speed and performance due to the higher flow hydraulic capacity and less pressure losses. Better fuel efficiency due to the less load engine with lowest hydraulic refills required. Lower per hour maintenance cost due to the 3000 hour hydraulic oil change intervals leading to higher saving. Improved performance with the optimized hoses and tubes, higher flow capacity backhoe loader, control valve and optimized hydraulic circuit to minimize pressure losses, which is ideal for rigid in Indian site condition. Sliding frame, less machine maintenance with edge frame design, which ensures dirt does not accumulate like other machines. Better grip and stability due to its 12-bolt support plate design and the balanced weight distribution. Let's talk about this banana boom. Better life and impact of the boom due to its design like that of Excavator. The construction is with the thick plates at the ends of the boom. More structural strength and rigidity due to its closets box section design, easy to fill tippers and trolleys. It is a boom design which never interferes with the body. Final drive, reliable aggregates which are less prone to failure due to its design, which ensures better lubrications in all parts even in inclined position, increase the life of final drive. Final drive consists of 3 sections, 2 hubs and 1 middle section along with different separated by oil seals. Oldest proven in the Indian markets, powertrain with optimized service refill capacity in powertrain. So friends, that's all for today. For more updates like this, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button.